Hello and welcome to my video, and this is going to help people identify the parts that are failing on your Jeep Grand Cherokees, model years 2005 through 2010. And I have a video called '05 Jeep Grand Cherokee Clunking Noise Identified, where I take you under the vehicle and point to the areas that are causing the problem. It's they call it a bushing, an isolator bushing. This is the video in question, and this is 2 minutes and 13 seconds, where this is the bushing. This is the front drive shaft right here, connected into the front axle. This is the front axle. Okay, let's go to the actual parts, the front axle assembly, and let me show you what we're dealing with. Okay, this is something I found a long time ago when I got into this problem right at the very beginning. And it's 400 and something pages, but I'm going to go to right down here. These are all the parts and stuff like that of the whole vehicle. Let's go right here. This is the front axle assembly for your 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, this is where the drive shaft comes in, right at this point. And this is the front of the front axle, and this is the front bushing. This is the right side bushing, and this is the rear bushing right here. Well, this is the one that causes all of the clunking noise, along with the drive shaft. Now, I'm going to show you the drive shaft in a moment. This is showing the transfer case right here for the four-wheel drive. This is the rear drive shaft. When I took it to the repair shop, they replaced this one first, and that did not correct the problem. And these things are over $1,000. And it turned out that this front drive shaft is the one that is causing the problem, along with the bushing. So this part right here, it's hard to see the movement now. When you try to test it yourself, you're going to say, darn, it's not going to sit there and wobble where you can see it. It's very small movements in there, but it's such that it will bind and cause you problems. When you replace this front drive shaft and the bushing, your problems go away. There's a good. They're showing the drive shaft. Now, a lot of you could possibly change that drive shaft. Okay, it's just these 4 bolts, and you have to take a cross member out also, though, that goes under here that keeps this from being able to just slide out. So I don't think this is a job for the average people at home working on the ground. You need to really take it into someone and go ahead and pay the money to do it, unless you've got a repair shop with all the tools and lifts. But I wouldn't recommend trying to do this yourself. But the big thing is we're identifying the components that are bad. So it's this bushing, and if you want, you show your repair guy this, and he can go from there, and you can get that noise out of there. Okay? All right. Good luck, and I hope this solves your problem, and because the Jeep is really a nice vehicle. I like mine now that everything is taken care of. And there is a intermittent ignition problem, and I have video and helpful aids on my playlist. So go to my YouTube Sam Owens 44 playlist for the Jeep problems, and you'll see some of the issues there that I deal with. But I wanted to show these parts here for you for the clunking noise. So good luck and happy driving.